convincing someone and collaborating with someone and telling them to promote your stuff to their audience is very hard, isn't it? Most people are not ready to collaborate with you. We are most of the times failing to convince them that we have something that can benefit your audience. So let's collaborate together and let's sell the stuff together. Why is this happening? Why people are not ready to do joint ventures with you? I will tell you today how you can collaborate with a person successfully and make them sell your stuff to their audience. So let's get started. The first thing we need to collaborate with everyone is trust. We have to trust other person and they have to trust us. Most of the time we trust them. We know that our service can benefit their audience and we are ready to host an event together and we are ready to conduct a webinar together. But most of the time our collaborators, they do not put that much effort. Why? There's one big reason. When you haven't given them anything like money or something extremely valuable, they are not going to put as much effort as you are going to put. This happens a lot of time. Most of the time people collaborate with each other when they exchange money. They ask a fixed amount of money, $100, $200, $300, anything, and then the collaboration starts. But how you can collaborate with someone who will put equal effort as you to promote your stuff? I'll tell you the answer of this question. Hello there. If you're watching this, that means you are a serious viewer, and this is an ad in between a video. So I'm testing this format. Let's see how it works. So for all my serious viewers, I have a special opportunity, an opportunity to work with me at a discounted price. Lately, I have been testing a strategy to book appointments, and I used that strategy on my 5 clients and I got exceptional results. One of my clients, Celia, she booked 16 appointments in the last month. Another client, Bruno Morris, who is a 2 Comma Club owner, he's completely booked. One of my collaborator, Angela Roth, she's also completely booked with this strategy. So this strategy is a direct strategy which is helping you to book appointments directly instead of nurturing people in the messenger. So lots of people are trying to nurture their audience in the messenger, which is a lot of work and it takes a lot of time, and your audience is already aware that what are you doing in the messenger. So instead of nurturing them in the messenger, is there any direct way that can help you to nurture people in a better way and book an appointment? Yes, there is. We tested this, it's working in the market, and that's what I have to give you. From my bottom of heart, I'm telling you this is one of the best strategy that I have ever used to book appointments. So if you are someone who is looking to book appointments, then below this video I have given a form link. In the last section you can see the code. You have to use a code appointments in capital and you will get 30% discount. Give it a try. I'm telling you, you will not regret using this strategy. I have collaborated with a lot of people and we are selling my stuff together to their audience. Now how I'm able to do this? A very simple thing. When we collaborate with someone, it's very important that we have to show them that our service, our product can highly benefit their audience. This is the first reason. Either they should make money or their audience should make money, right? And if you can do both, then wow, my product, my service is doing both things. It's helping my collaborator and it's helping their audience as well. What I'm doing when I collaborate with someone, I tell them, instead of taking money, I will give you my strategy. I will teach you my strategy, I'll tell you how to implement, and I will help you get results out of that strategy. This is how you will believe in my strategy. And when the other person believes that our product or service can help them, then of course they put similar effort as us to help their audience, to spread that product, to spread that service. Recently, I have taught my strategy, which I'm selling for thousands of dollars in the market, to 3 of my collaborators, and the first word they said was, wow, this strategy is awesome. And that's why everybody is now helping me to spread more and more. and we together are selling my product to their audience. People will not give you their audience easily. I have collaborated with other people because I want access to audience. I want my product to reach in front of more and more thousands of people, and that's why I need someone who already have access of my audience, my ideal customers. So I find people in the market, I collaborate with them by teaching or giving access to my strategy, and they like it, and we go forward with the collaboration. In your case, you have to think, if you are not ready to give them money, what is something that you can give them? Maybe 30 days of free service, maybe trial of your service, maybe you can teach your strategy to those people. You have to give them something extremely valuable so that they will trust you and they will collaborate with you. So think of what you can offer to your collaborator, and it's very easy to get what you want from that collaborator. I hope you found value in this video.